Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Today's video is different. Today we will going to get started with the art challenge and related to my magazine and related to this channel as well. So what we will going to do in this, so I'm going to talk about what this art challenge is all about. The art challenge is about making artwork per week according to a theme or topic that I'm choosing, and each and every artist will going to make this artwork according to that theme, and then they will going to post it on the Instagram using the hashtag globoartis, and I will going to feature their artwork in my story, and the selected artists, the 3 artists in a month, will going to be get featured in my magazine. So this is the art challenge all about. So starting with the first week, that is the first topic, first theme we have, that is the bird. So I will going to make a drawing or a painting related to the bird in this video to get started with the art challenge. So let's get started with that. So before starting it, guys, if you really enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming art related doses and more about art related stuff on this channel. So don't forget to do that. So let's get straight into this video. I'm starting with this course, Rocket Realistic Drawing Bundle course, and you can get this course at $69. You can watch this video, and if this sounds familiar to you like confidence, what's that? You have watched many tutorials, followed all of the directions perfectly, but your outcome just doesn't look like theirs. You have invested a lot of time to get it right, but it isn't just working. Use all the tools but didn't get the expected results of your artwork. Thinking I don't have an art degree, that's why I can't draw. Feeling not good enough. Feeling like I don't have right skills and right tools or right technique, then this course is definitely for you. Are you struggling with sketching and shading and don't know how to shade? It's the time to defeat the struggles that stop you from beginning, pause your progress, or bruise your confidence. So this course is exactly for you, and I'm starting with this course, and I will going to discuss each and everything in depth regarding shading and sketching techniques. What are the different tools you need to use and how to get started with that. And you don't need expensive instrument to get started with your own drawing to make a good drawing. And why this course is different, because it contains all the different stuffs, and I'm talking really in depth, and all thing is completely narrated by me, taking you to each and everything, starting from picking up the tools to finishing up your artwork, step by step, each and everything completely in depth. So it will really going to help you in getting started with your own artwork, and you have full lifetime access to this course, and in future access to my updates to this course as well, and just $69. And then this is the whole my course page. You Along with this course, you have the 4 course, like this is a course bundle, guys. You have 4 courses in this course bundle. One is how to draw the eye, ear, nose, lips. This is the course, these are the 4 courses that are there in this course bundle. Along with that, we have various different bonuses on how to draw and sketch a portrait, and it's just like a complete art course that is really going to help you, talking to you in each and every depth and what are the tools actually required and how to shade, how to blend. It's an in-depth course taking you from step by step, and we are also giving you, and there's the PDF printables, like you have the free ebook PDF on how to shade and sketch, complete portrait tutorial, complete a checklist to keep you on track with your art journey, 4 daily planners, 4 weekly planners, high resolution JPEG printable files of the artworks that I'm using in these courses. And you have full lifetime access and lifetime update to these courses. So these are the tutorials, and we have 14 different modules in this course. So although this course is like $1,200, because if you, this course is a complete bundle of 4 different courses, that is a ear drawing, eye drawing, lips drawing, nose drawing. These are separate courses and these are at $200, and all the bonus material include, that's the $1,000. So total cost of this course is $1,200, but you only need to pay just $69 to pay this course, to buy this course. And after clicking on this buy this course button, you will get immediately access to all the course materials. You don't need to wait for anything, and this is a full lifetime access. So I am starting with the course this. So guys, if you're really interested in getting started with realistic pencil drawings and how to shade and blend in depth art course, then I'm putting the link in the description. You can check this course and can buy this course and can get enrolled in this course. It will really going to help you a lot.